someone who hasn't done the Ha Giang Loop. I thought it was one of those things overhyped on social media. Safe to say, I may never be able to top this experience ever again, but I'm so grateful for everything I've seen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my world. I am currently heading to the Ha Giang Loop. This is the Ha Giang Loop vlog, you guys, so get ready because this is going to be maybe the best vlog of my Southeast Asia trip, possibly. I am currently in a sleeper bus. This is my first sleeper bus experience in Vietnam. I booked the VIP bus, so it's pretty nice. Let me give you a little tour. There's a TV right here, but I don't think it works. Apparently we have Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna check out that soon. There's some cup holders. This is a little window shade outside. These buttons right here, you can like move up the seat like that or move it back with this button. Then you have some privacy curtains. This is what it looks like. Super nice. I think the bus ride to Ha Giang is like 8 hours. Not entirely sure. I booked this tour with Bong Hostel. I'm doing the 3-night 4-day tour, so I have a little bit of a high expectation for this because so many people have raved about how much it was like the best experience they've had. So I'm really excited. I will see you guys later. I'm probably gonna go to sleep and get ready for the loop tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So it is our first day of the Ha Giang Loop. I'm about to meet my Easy Rider right now. It's also so hot. I was looking at the weather and they said it was going to be like 92 degrees. So hence this is the outfit for today. They're like putting everyone in their groups. So there's a lot of commotion. I'm really excited. I already met some really fun people, so I know this 4-day trip is going to be so much fun. But this is the vibe right now. Everyone is just waiting to get settled in for their groups. Our first stop of the tour. The views are already really pretty and we haven't even gotten super high up yet.
Though we may not quite agree, it's never too late to change. I find it hard to believe things are just better this way.
Do I look cute?
Yes. Hello, my name is Eva. I'm from Spain. Hi, I'm Izzy. I'm from England.
They're in my group for the Ha Giang Loop and we're already having a lot of
We
fun.
can have lots of fun. My
Crazy.
knees hurt.
I know, my butt is hurting so bad. We were like zooming too.
We're going so
Yeah, I was like, oh my gosh. Like I thought we were gonna like hit a car, but
And then we were bumping.
yeah, it was like bumpy and I was like, oh no. Let's see what this spot looks. Wow. Put into perspective, we were like driving all the way down there and up there.
I'm Ellen and I'm from France.
France.
I'm Daniela from Canada.
Canada.
I'm Cameron. I'm from the United States, specifically North Carolina.
Woo! How have you guys liked the loop so far?
A great like 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours already.
I don't actually know.
Okay, we're taking a little pit stop out, we're having lunch, and it looks so delicious.
Whiskey warm on a brittle fall night. She was doing fine and I was doing right, falling into daydreams of our lives. I tried my best to hide feelings deep inside, starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my existence, wondering with all persistence, wondering where she gone, falling further on. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play, princess don't fade, 'cause one day you'll be mine.
Okay, so we made it to our homestay for tonight. Let me give you a little room tour. It's kind of small, but this is the bed. And we have a little fan right there. This window is like a window to the dorm rooms, so I'm not gonna show a lot of that. Dorm room area. I'm just giving a room tour. Okay. This is the view. And then those are the bathroom and shower areas. Let me show you the downstairs area. So like this is like the eating area. Just people are chit-chatting over here. Very nice.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes!
One more time. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, boy.
Oi!
Một, hai, ba, go. Một, hai, ba, go. Hai, ba, go. Hai, ba, go. Hai, ba, go, go, go.
Hi ba so so so.
Hai, ba, uống.
Hi ba oh.
Oh, my friend didn't even come.
News is okay, I got it. My, I'll never let you go, Mamma Mia.
I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick it with you.
So won't you hear my prayer? Give me a man after midnight. Right through the darkness to the break of the day. Day 2 on the Ha Giang Loop. This is my Easy Rider.
街の明かりがぼやけてる。理解できぬ何も見えぬ。静かな街の声が瞳の奥に広がる。見えない世界がよく何もない空白の中漂うこの一人。何もない見つめるだけ。何もない眺めるだけ。
That's China. That's China. We're heading to the skywalk and gotta walk super far up there. Apparently there's like a little ledge that you can sit on a rock and hang your, like dangle your feet up on the edge of the cliff. We'll see if I do that. Can't quite look at the view right now because I'm scared of heights, but I'm sure it's very pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna try and take a picture there, but I have to muster the courage.
It's right here. It's right here. I can see.
Oh.
You can get it.
That was so terrifying, but rewarding. Thank you. So we just made it to our second homestay for night 2 of the Ha Giang Loop, so let me give you a little room tour. So, I don't know why, but like, my room is really big. I have 3 beds for some reason, even though I just paid for myself to be here. There's a window right here. A little window to see outside. But I'm gonna close it up because it's kind of hot. Have a little TV, just connected my Netflix. Ooh! A mini fridge. All right, I can put my water in there for it to be cold. We have like some, I'm definitely, oh, a robe. I did not look at this at all. I'm not gonna use these, but it's nice that there's like some storage leading into the bathroom. Just a toilet with a sink. And the shower is also connected into here. I learned that like a lot of like the places in Southeast Asia, their showers are connected to the bathroom. They're not like separated. So it's something that I've had to get used to because I like the water being separated. But then when like you shower in the bathroom, like the water gets everywhere. But I am about to just chill out for a little bit. We've been riding all day long. The views have just been absolutely amazing. We did some crazy hikes. If you've seen the last footage, I was terrified. If you don't know me, I'm so scared of heights and I really like pushed myself to get that picture. It's just been amazing. Day 2 has surpassed day 1 by far and I'm so excited for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys when we probably have dinner, when we'll do like some karaoke and probably drink some more happy water. Got another soju and dinner.
Are you ready? Yes! Một, hai, ba, zo! Một, hai, ba, zo! Hai, ba, zo! Hai, ba, zo! Hai, ba, zo, zo, zo! Hai, ba, zo! Hai, ba, zo!
We kind of stopped driving because there's like construction work going on. There's like a lot of traffic. I don't know if we're gonna go around or if there's like another way around, but for now there's like no way to go. All this construction. Right now we're heading to a boat, I guess go down a river. Getting here was like so treacherous. The roads were like kind of sketch with dirt roads and a lot of construction. I was like really clutching because I was so scared. It's kind of rainy today, kind of a little bit wet and muddy, but we're about to head to the river.
Think I'm gonna go to sleep again and wake up alone on the floor. 'Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom. The floorboards in the next room will keep me warm. Ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right at home.
waterfall, but I'm not swimming because I cut my knee in Ha Long Bay. I'm just here to see it. We were supposed to swim tomorrow, but apparently it's gonna rain, so they took us over here today. We made it to the last homestay and I'm in my room. There's the bed. This is the bathroom. The toilet was making noise. I don't know what was the problem, but now it stopped. And like there's this random dripping from that pipe. Not my favorite room I've had. I think the second one was probably my favorite, but it's been a long day. I'm so tired. I'm probably gonna take a nap before dinner. So I'll see you guys at dinner.
Are you ready? Yes! Everybody! High! High! Bad show! High! High! Bad show! High! Bad show! 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 High! Bad show! 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 Cheers!
Perfect weather. I just wanna run away with you. I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll?
It's our last stop, Izzy. Did I say that?
Yeah, it's our last stop. I'm so sad.
I don't want this to end. I'm gonna cry tomorrow.
Yeah, that it's over already.
It was very beautiful though.
I know. I met these great people.
It's on you to decide if something changes. You say bye, 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 bye. When you're stuck in chains, well, nothing